Hey guys, so friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, beautiful, and very funky and stylish. Because in this video, I am sharing a very beautiful, stylish, classic, handmade, handcrafted, handwork, hand embroidered bags for ladies. Because bags are a sure and a quite beautiful, impressive way to give a creative look to your final outfit styling idea or your fashion sense. So different type of bags have been shown that have been handcrafted with the help of very easy, simple, and basic hand embroidery stitches. You can also do the art of applique work, handwork, thread painting, silk ribbon embroidery, and many more creative stuffs. So you can use these onto your handbags, shoulder bags, purse, clasp bags, clutches, tote bags, or many more creative handmade, handcrafted bags. So if you want to get more creative, stylish, amazing, and trendy ideas related to women fashion, like dress designing, footwear, watches, jewelry designing ideas, nail art, gemstone, original gemstone based jewelry, different types of baby girls dress designing ideas, and many more creative things, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos on daily basis so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, and trendy ideas. And friends, please, one more thing, add that if you like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing, friends, please do support us, keep supporting us like you has always have been. Do share my videos with your friends and family massively, and to watch my content on regular basis. So stay blessed, and thank you so much once again. Stay positive, try to help others, try to achieve the goals of your life by staying positive and focused. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care. And the new subscribers or new visitors to my channel, I have simple request that please go visit my channel and find creative, artistic fashion ideas related to women. So stay blessed, take care, and jazakallah for watching.